Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to another NAV English Factors video with me. This is Mohammad Pranto Ali. I'm an English learner. Nowadays, I'm gonna show you in this video a new scenario in my village. As you can see, my behind side it seems to be flood, and it has been raining for few days. Consequently, this result, and my all entire life I haven't seen this too much water in my village field. It's very bad for my village peasant because these all are paddy field, and many farmer has planted the paddy in this field, but the field has gone under the water. As a result, the paddy plant has rotten. It's very loss for my village peasant, and right now I am staying here in the water, and this is my village field all this is my village all field views. As you can see, actually this type of water very detrimental for my village people. Nobody like this scenario. The peasant don't want to see this view because it's high time to plant the paddy. Many people has tilled the field, and many people planted the paddy in this field. Everything has lost, and nobody can say how many days later the water go away from this field, and again the peasant will plant the paddy in this field. Nobody can say. So you can imagine this type of too much water very bad for my village people. Also, my three land have in the water. One land I have planted the paddy, this paddy field under the water, and two lands I have decided I will plant the paddy, but for as much at this moment the water in this field, consequently I can't plant the paddy in this field. So I want to say this type of scenario I haven't seen in my all entire life, and I don't like this too much water. Though my village field need water, but this type of water my village people and me don't like. Mercy, pray for me.